guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to copy Illustrator layer into Adobe Photoshop file. It is a very easy and simple video. Here is my Adobe Illustrator file and I want to copy this all layer of this Adobe Illustrator file to our Adobe Photoshop file. That is very easy. This file contains many layers. I go to the layer and expand this layer. And here we find it's contain many layer. I want to copy this all layers as a Photoshop layer in Photoshop file. I go to the here and select this file. I go to the here and by selecting mouse, select all the layer on this file, or go to my keyboard and press Ctrl A and select all the layers and Ctrl C, copy this layer. Now I go to my Photoshop file. In Photoshop file, I go to the new or go to the file, then go to the new, create a new file and go to the Ctrl V, press the Ctrl V. And here we find many options. First option is layers. You can select to the layers or smart object. If select the smart object, it's go to the Adobe Illustrator. So select the layers first options and click on the OK. If you ask to continue, click on the continue. And here we find our file. Now here we find it's contain many layer. Here we find group, go to the layers. Okay. Now here we find our all layers are appear on our screen. You can select any layer. Okay. Or delete or anything that you want. I want to change the color. Go to the here, select this box, rectangle box, and go to the here and select or click on any color that you want. Change any color or anything. You can use gradient also. You can use gradient on this layer also. Okay. So guys, this is the simplest way to copy Illustrator layers as Adobe Photoshop layers by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.